Look, this is one of the experiment we do here. This is one of the simple cell here. In this simple cell, there is a beaker. This is a beaker. Inside beaker, diluted sulfuric acid is there. And this is a copper. And this is zinc sheet. This is zinc sheet. And here you have connected using a connecting wire. And using connecting wire, you have connected another instrument, which is called what? This is what? Milliammeter. What is that? Milliammeter or ammeter. What is the usage of milliammeter or ammeter or galvanometer? Can you tell me? Who can tell? Use of this milliammeter or ammeter or galvanometer.
We can measure the electricity.
We can measure the electricity. One. Another one. Another one.
Flowing current.
Yes, very good. Who is saying that? Mahudi, are you saying? Who is that? Who said that? Tell me. Who said the direct of current? Tell me. That's a great. Who is that? Right, okay. Right, so great that one. There are two main functions of the milliammeter or ammeter. What is that? First one is you can measure the current. Here you can see here the indicator. This indicator flows this side or this side. Whatever if it moving. Right, this is indicator here. If it moving. In this right, indicator, this what moving or turns. So here first observation, what observation you can observe in this simple cell. Number one is what that this is copper shell and this is a copper sheet. This is zinc sheet. Zinc sheet dissolved. And also second observation is what? This milliammeter or ammeter, whatever you can put milliammeter or you can put the ammeter or you can put a galvanometer, whatever you can find or you can measure the current. But galvanometer does not measure the current. Galvanometer helps to identify the flow of current. So whatever it will deflect. Third one, lights up here. Lights up. So because of that one, here, what are the observation you can observe? Lights up, right? Look, when you construct that, we already said that one. What's that? See, there are three bulbs have been taken, or LED or small motor we have taken. Small motor, if I connect a small motor instead of that bulb, if I connect the small motor here, look. Instead of that one, if I connect the small motor, look. You can, what observation you can observe? Instead of the small motor, we add, instead of bulb, motor, if you add it, what would happen? Motor what? Motor what? Motor rotates because instead of idana kalatittu idilla maakittu bulb ku badila idha thooki potikiru idha thooki na potakala current vanda idu thirumbum ondu idu thirumbum rendavathu motor enna seiyum rotate agum. Third example enna zinc dissolve agum. Fourth example enna copper gas bubbles vairum. இதுதான் simple cell என்று சொல்றோம். Very simple cell. The problem is what chemical is used? Tell me, this green blue color, what is that? Diluted sulfuric acid. So that chemical reaction, because of the chemical reaction, electron is produced, current is produced. Look this one. Instead of that motor, I have used what? One nichrome. Instead of this nichrome, in nichrome wire, we use what? Iron wire. When you use nichrome wire or iron wire, what would happen? This nichrome wire or iron wire, what's that? That coil is what? What happened? What happened? Heat, right? Heat. Do you have in your home heater? Heater இருக்கா உங்களோட வீட்ல? இருக்கு தானே?
Yes, sir.
Heater. In
Yes,
that
sir.
heater, there is a coil. Do you know the coil? Yes. You see the coil. How it gets heat? How it gets heat? When you supply the current, this coil gets heat. Then because of that heat transfer from this coil to water, water gets heat. So when you pass the current, the coil gets heat. So if the coil is heating, gets heat, or it's heating, we can conclude what? Current vandirikku sollalam. Idu heat avina current vandirikku sollalam. Idu thirumbina current vandirikku sollalam. Rendu da very important. Idu dissolve agina current vandu sollalam. Summa vechalum dissolve agum. Right? You should connect what? You should connect what? Connecting wire. Connecting wire connect pannathan inga current varum. So I hope you people got this one. Valengita makkal. These are the observation you must know. In the observation, what are the observation here? If bulbs connected, bulbs connect in the same, bulbs lights up on. If motor connects, motor rotates. If nichrome or iron wire connects, wire or coil what? In the same, heat becomes heat, right? And also another observation, zinc sheet dissolve. Because of the zinc sheet dissolves only, the electric current also moving through the bulbs or motor or nichrome wire. Gas or air bubbles, I can say air bubbles. Those air bubbles form at where? At where? Copper sheet.
Copper.
Remember what? We will be studying this one, grade 11, chapter number 12. 11ஆம் ஆண்டுல 12ஆம் ஆண்டு 12ஆம் பாடத்துல இருக்கிறது இதான். இதத்தான் படிக்கிறாங்க. 11ஆம் ஆண்டுல 12ஆம் பாடம். So அங்க படிக்கிறது கூட இங்க படிக்கணும். இங்க நல்லா படிச்சீங்கடா அங்க நல்லா விளங்கும். So that's a point. And also the sixth one is what? Indicator of ammeter. What instrument we have added here? What instrument? What instrument? This is ammeter or galvanometer or millimeter. What is that? How to identify this one? Look. Here it is given MA. So milliammeter. Millimeter is given here. Whatever if you connect, millimeter connect pannalam, ammeter connect pannalam, galvanometer connect pannalam. If that is deflects, turn ஆகும்டா current வருதுன்னு அர்த்தம். Indicator of ammeter or galvanometer deflects or move. These are the. இப்போ ஒரு ஆள் வந்து கேட்காரு, galvanometer அங்க கனெக்ட் பண்ணலையே சார், ஏன் சார் அப்ப அப்சர்வேஷன்ல போட்டிருக்கீங்க? galvanometer கனெக்ட் பண்ணினா என்ன நடக்கும் என்று சொல்லி போட்டிருக்கிறது. அவ்வளவுதான் இங்க இருக்கிற வித்தியாசம். Right? Another one, look now. Weakness of simple cell. In the simple cell உருவாக்கினாலும், whatever we have produced simple cell, this simple cell, there is a weakness. You know what? In simple cell, you take a beaker and you take a diluted sulfuric acid, ellame liquid. All these are liquid. Appa difficult of using them. Why using them is a difficult one? It contains what? Liquid. ஒரு இடத்துல இன்னொரு அள்ளி போலாமா? உங்களோட வீட்டை ஒரு இடத்தை நீங்க படிக்கிற இடத்தை ஒரு மேசையில உங்களுக்கு பல்ப் தேவைட்டு வைப்போம். நீங்க என்ன செய்றீங்க சிம்பிள் செல் ஒன்று செட் பண்ணி எடுத்துக்கந்து அந்த பல்பை கனெக்ட் பண்ண போதுமா அதுல வார கரண்ட் போதுமா is it enough very small led only lights பின்னால் பெரிய பல்பை போடலாமா பெரிய பல்ப் இதுல கனெக்ட் பண்ணலாமா பத்துமா no why ஏன் நடக்காது ஏன் பல்ப் பத்தாது ஏன் பத்தாது ஏன் the amount of current which is produced there is very much low current உருவாகுற அதுல உருவாகுற அளவு மிச்சம் குறையும் and the third one inability to contain current from longer period நீண்ட காலம் கரண்ட தூக்கி வச்சுக்கிட்டு கேளாது இப்ப இன்னும் கொஞ்ச நேரத்துல என்ன செய்யும் for example excuse me Mahdi right don't open your video right okay so now here you see inability to maintain the current for a longer period means what actually this simple cell is produced what by zinc sheet எல்லாம் கரையும் கரைஞ்சி போகும் கரைஞ்சி முடிஞ்சா அதுக்கு பிறகு electron produce ஆகுமா சொல்லுங்க will electron produce no electron produce ஆகலடி current வருமா no current வரலாட்டி bulb பத்துமா இல்லாட்டி wire heat ஆகுமா no whatever you just see that whatever the inability means எங்களுக்கு முடியாது to obtain பெற்றுக்கொள்ள current மின்னோட்டம் for a longer period of time நீண்ட காலத்துக்கு current எங்களுக்கு பெற்றுக்கொள்ள இயலாது inability to maintain obtain the current for a longer period typical of using them reason is it contains liquids